Renegade rows. I'm going to show you what it looks like and then break it down. We're going to do it from the side. It's easiest to see from the side. You want the bells shoulder width apart and your feet the same distance. Benefits to the Renegade row is it's a great trunk stabilized exercise. Working on shoulder, packing your shoulder, and being able to stabilize your body without placing all the strain on your shoulder. It's really good for your chest, as you hold this push-up position, and it's great for chest development and chest strength. So to break it down, it's your swing stance, so your feet are about shoulder width apart, and your hands are right around a little inside your feet. Pack your shoulders, use your lats, and if you squeeze your butt, you'll prevent the tenting of your butt, of your hips. So you're going to squeeze, I push into one hand and pull the other. You're going to bring it to your hip, so push into my hand and pull. So it's literally a push-pull exercise, great for, like I said, trunk stabilization, glutes and abs.